Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel. So, we drove up to North Carolina this weekend. We actually got here kind of late last night. We went to visit one of Wes's brothers, and we stayed with my grandma. And we just went and picked up some camping supplies because we're going camping tonight with some of our family and friends. So I thought I'd take you guys along, and yeah, we just got to the hunting lodge, and I'm waiting on I'm meeting Wes because he came early to help set up the camp and everything. But I'm not sure where to go, so I'm waiting on him to get here. But yeah, we're going camping, yay! We haven't been camping in a long time, so I'm excited, so it should be fun. Pretty out here. Keep an eye on the stuff in the back, Bradley.
There's somebody over there who's mad.
So they're just fishing.
Everything on this side is an island.
Oh, that's beautiful.
This land over here is completely surrounded by water.
That's cool. Why you never brought me here before?
You could have went here for your hunt. Where's seashells? Look, seashells.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
It's like white.
Yeah. Like it? So here's our tent. We just gotta get the air mattresses in it. Wes brought his drums. Whew. I wish I had some shorts. It's hotter than I thought it was gonna be.
Huh? Put your seatbelt on.
Ooh, look at you, big girl. Good? You having fun? Alright. Which side do you want Sissy on?
This side.
Okay.
This side.
Okay. Hey, come here. You're too close to that edge. It's a deer footprint.
What is this?
It's yucky. Put it down.
I want to throw that thing.
Hey, cutie pie. See, like me. I need some water.
Hey, come here for a second, baby.
I want to go down there.
No, we're not going down there. It's yucky down there. I'm sorry, no. Because I said no, because Mama can't make it over that. Mama can't make that. And you ain't going by yourself. Cousins. Can you give her a hug?
What is this?
It's a light. It's a glow stick.
Now let it.
Yeah?
I'm not opening it.
No, don't open it. It's got battery. But you can play with it.
Got a stick to throw in the wall.
Your face is so dirty.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Cool.
It's a sheep. What's called?
Clam or mussel. It just depends.
Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by.
So we're just down here getting some drone footage.
Leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone, gone.
Back to the campsite.
The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. you want to leave this place where we grew up? This old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Megan will play with you with sand.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Is that fun? Does that feel good? Some kind of critter. We scared him, I think. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vincent Elliott. Happy birthday to you.
Whoa, Ian, Thank you, blowing them. They're coming back. Oh, I didn't know they were that fast.
Oh no, they're trick candles!
No. Realize that they
bedtime. This is my lighting. Sorry if it's blinding you, but anyway, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. So it started raining on us, but we got all packed up right before it started raining, luckily. So we're headed out.